morning everyone. I, Arpit Jha of class 10th of lovely public senior secondary school am performing this activity under the Optics Outreach Program 2020 organized by SBI Student Chapter at Acharya Narendra Dev College, University of Delhi. The topic of my experiment is black and white, whose basic principle is the heat absorption by different colors. So, without wasting any time, let's head straight towards the experiment. So, the materials which are required for this experiment are: first, a black paper, A4 size or A3 size. Secondly, a white paper, A4 size or A3 size, but both the black and white paper should be of the same size. And then I have taken a temperature measuring machine, which is very common nowadays. There you go, my temperature. And the last thing, but the most important thing which is required for this experiment is sunlight. Yes, sunlight, but I can't show you that. Forbid me. As you can see, we have kept both the white and the black paper in bright sunlight, and then we will meet them after 2 hours.
2 hours later.
So it's approximately 2 hours now, and now we pick both of our papers and check which of one of them, black or white, is more hotter. So here we have got our white paper. Let me touch it first. Oh yeah, it's hot. So we have got the temperature machine, and now 96.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So there are considerable amount of temperature, and now we take our black paper and check its temperature. As you go, 99.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So as you just saw, there was a considerable amount of difference in the temperature of the black paper and the white paper. But why did this happen?
So as you just saw that we measured the temperature of the black paper and the white paper, and the black paper was way 3 degrees Fahrenheit more hotter than the white paper. So why did this happen? So the basic reason behind this is behind the principles of optics. We all know that the reason that this paper is seemingly black to my eyes is that it is absorbing all colors. It's absorbing all colors of the spectrum: red, yellow, white, blue, orange, and every color. That's why it's looking black to us. And this paper is looking white because it is reflecting all colors of the spectrum. And we also know that white is a combination of all the colors of the spectrum with pure. So as light energy also contains heat energy with it, we know that since black is absorbing all the color wavelengths, therefore it gets more heats get penetrated inside the black paper if we keep the black paper for the same time as compared to the white paper. Since the white paper is reflecting all the wavelengths of light, it only gets a few amount of the heat, where black absorbs a considerable higher amount of heat as compared to the white paper in this case. Thank you everyone for watching this activity. I hope that you have understood the concept of heat absorption by different colors of light. Thank you everyone.